Ever felt your golf cart wobble, slide, or just look plain outdated? You're not alone. Stock golf cart tires wear out fast and make your ride feel soft and unstable. But here's the good news, has brought some serious wheel and tire upgrades. Today, we're checking out the best golf cart wheels and tires of, all tested, trusted, and guaranteed to upgrade your ride instantly. And stick around till the end. Because the last one? Yeah, it's an absolute beast. Let's roll. Starting strong with the E-Custom Rim 4-pack. Perfect for Cushman, EZGO, Club Car, Yamaha, and more. Best part? No lift kit and no mounting required. These arrive pre-mounted, aired up, and installation takes minutes. They're built with durable alloy steel, using 18 by 8.5 to 8.4 ply, DOT-approved sawtooth tires, safe for turf, greens, and street use. Made in the USA, backed by a 2-year warranty, and loved with 4.8 stars from 600+ reviews, these wheels are reliable, clean-looking, and long-lasting. And trust me, the next one is a style monster. If you want your cart to look elite, meet the Warlock Black Machined 10-inch wheels. You get aluminum Warlock rims, 205/50-10 low-profile tires, SS caps, and lug nuts, all pre-mounted, so you're ride-ready instantly. These low-profile tires give tighter handling and a sporty vibe. No more old-school golf cart looks. This setup is straight-up premium. The machined aluminum resists corrosion, grips the course beautifully, and holds an impressive 4.8-star rating. Just double-check compatibility if your cart uses disc brakes. What's your pick so far? Classic white or stealth black? Comment below. Up next, the E-Custom Rim 2-pack. Perfect if you're replacing only your front or rear tires. Same DOT-approved Wanda tires, same durable steel rims, same ready-to-install convenience. Golfers love how smooth and quiet these feel, especially on hilly courses. With 4.8 stars and 600+ reviews, these are a cost-effective, reliable upgrade. If you're upgrading half your set, this 2-pack is the smart play. Now coming in with the clean classic look, the Golf Cart King steel wheels with Arasun Turf Sail tires. These glossy white wheels keep your cart looking premium, while the Arasun Turf Sail tires protect your greens with their turf-safe tread. Everything arrives pre-mounted and aired up. Just bolt them on and go. They fit Club Car, EZGO, and Yamaha carts and carry a 4.8-star Amazon rating. Simple, stylish, durable, a perfect zero-stress upgrade for daily golfers. Last, but definitely not least, the Antego 8-inch Matty Black set. Built for riders who want rugged performance, the 4-ply turf tires offer strong traction and stability, while the non-directional tread keeps your ride smooth on grass, gravel, or pavement. Each tire supports up to 815 pounds, making this set one of the toughest options out there. The matte black finish gives your cart a stealthy, upgraded look, and users love its solid feel, earning 4.6 stars. If you want durability plus style, this set is pure power. E-Custom Rim 4-pack, easy install, turf safe, super dependable. RM Cart Warlock, sporty, stylish, and premium performance. E-Custom Rim 2-pack, perfect replacement option, smooth and quiet. Golf Cart King, clean look, turf safe, Amazon's choice. Antego Matte Black, rugged, modern, and built for all terrains. Whatever your golf cart style, there's a perfect match waiting for you. Always check bolt pattern and tire size before ordering. So, which wheel and tire combo is your top pick? Drop your choice in the comments. If this helped you upgrade your golf cart today, hit like, share, and subscribe for more automotive gear reviews every week. Next up, we're reviewing the best golf cart accessories that can turn your ride into a luxury machine. You don't want to miss it. Until then, keep rolling smooth, keep playing sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.